Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore compliance workflow with DocuSign CLM step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your DocuSign CLM account. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the compliance workflow section in the main dashboard. Click on the Create New Workflow button. Select the type of compliance workflow you need. Name your workflow appropriately to reflect its purpose. Add a brief description to provide context for users. Design the workflow by dragging and dropping the necessary stages. Include document review, approval processes, and any required legal checks. Assign roles to each stage, specifying who will be responsible for each task. Set deadlines for each stage to ensure timely compliance. Configure the approval process based on your organization's requirements. Incorporate notifications and reminders to keep team members informed. Review all settings to ensure accuracy. Save your workflow configuration. Test the workflow with a sample document to identify any issues. Monitor the workflow execution to track progress and compliance. Make adjustments based on feedback from team members. Document any changes made for future reference. Once satisfied, officially launch the compliance workflow. Encourage your team to familiarize themselves with the new system. Regularly review the workflow for efficiency and compliance updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.